But you know what? The thing is, somebody knows somebody, and everybody attached to somebody in some sort of way. You know what I mean? So it really just don't make no sense
But
to,
Keiko, listen to
like
this,
just
Keiko. Keiko, what I'm trying to say.
mm,
Listen, Keiko. Do not tell lie upon me because she's the one saying to me that Dari them want people over there want make say me and me are both sides. That's what she says. Why would she say that to me? You say, Pussy, but them want to tell lie upon you say, are you a boots me? So why today now you make it look like me a boots? Me don't understand these people. Because she said me allow Dari to come for my life. This morning I'm tell her say, anytime Dari always a come for my life, and I stop there from come for my life. So you can't tell me that. Mr. Say like how Dari said to me.
For politics there, you know, I can't but for politics.
Why you come and rub up on our life? You understand? Me no say no. Me could understand if me just remember you know, Munchie, remember you know, if me go join a war with somebody, you know, me a fear give them ammunition for use on the other person, you know, tell the truth. I wasn't doing none of that. I said to her, she said, I'll be your father and blah blah. I say, leave the war. Like how you say your baby father, leave the war and make it done. Like how nobody go back, you say you cut Dari cuss you and you come back, come cause it then. Don't pay Dari man, cause Dari nah done. Dari's like me. That me I said to her.
Look at you. Puss the biggest insult, but you now me tell her that already. I'm gonna take you like myself.
What you say?
Yo. No, me say you are give advice so you not take.
No, me not take it, but you, guess why? Guess why me have to give it? No, listen, remember, I know. Me no like go to Munchie. If you out
Puss. You have Wi-Fi? Puss.
yeah.
Murder. Take off your Wi-Fi and use the internet for your phone now, because the Wi-Fi will keep on above. You cut out enough.
Remember,
Can't hear like long.
because Munchie, listen, Keiko.
Yeah,
So me, I said to her, Munchie, I'm saying to her, like how you go you say your baby father, this your baby father that leave the war alone. A good advice that me say me love war. And me I say leave the war alone. If me I tell her leave the war alone, that means say leave it alone. My sister is a weak fight, you can fight. And me I encourage her before the embarrassment and the judgment. Leave it alone. Take me advice. Even this morning, she said to Antoinette, says, true, Puss tell me that, Puss tell me, say, leave it alone. Me say, leave it alone because you say you're beautiful. Nah, no say. She live 100 yards and him live 2,000 yards. Beautiful in a business with a woman. And she did tell me now, look, so what a rascal me they jump in at the war to blood clot. Me will say that to her this morning. So the people them will tell you said that for my life, why the people them never come and defend you? Why they never come out, come defend you? Or them want King Kong to come defend of the party. Me. And when me a war, I never see them. Man, and glad man. And then now, you go say, you go listen for sure they call them wicked to me, you know. Until
the way
what time is it? 5 o'clock.
Yeah. You know what say? Listen this, you know. People, listen this, you know. Listen this, you know, Munchie. If me, I tell you, say, if you say your baby father this and your baby father that, even when time my friend call me, I say to my friend, say, me now getting in a war with nobody, you know, because she say, her baby father, I got this and her baby father, I got that and baby father, I got that and that. Me now get myself involved in nobody war. You understand me? I say, Kika, so if me tell you, say, if you are going to use it, me not like them warrior, me can't do me not the warrior, me this and that and that. If me hear you a fight yourself, say, me not like them suck me and rare. So why me gonna
And
push
these are the
you?
things that's uncomfortable to a fake page of people and make up beer kind of stuff. So people that say be careful, woman I fear be careful. She say, when I lie on a volley part time. I don't know the business so you know. On the business bad.
I can Latin. Let me tell you something.
I
Me,
don't know also
anything.
that's what done
Me
there
me
because
me
I'm
no know
version
what
of
them
what done
problem is.
acid
Let me tell you something. Is
Very
this
good.
blood clot? Zoom. I hype, you know. She can't stand the teacher. Me beat and teach her blood clot a couple of weeks ago. And me push her down in a toilet and left her. Remember, you know,
Don't you know, give them
people them say, oh, pushing a coming at the war. Me say, so why the people them were calling and telling that why they didn't come on the live and bring down diary? Why they didn't come in at the comment come bring down diary? Why you want me to come at the war? Our problem is because me didn't come in this war. I'm
For you and her to be arguing for no reason.
I said to her, say,
No.
Anglia can angle yourself.
Anglia Kango, that's what you say. Anglia Kango.
Me never hide that target. She not. But now she will come because she has to, oh, why you accept diary for your life last time? He said, but this is my life. Diary always on my life. Me not gonna make sure you and diary, me not accept diary for my life. Not come like me, I take side. I'm not taking side against diary and you. We don't have no beef. And then now, you're gonna come now, like say, I want dangerous something the girl do to me, but if I got jail, or my gunman, like, you know, see what the girl try do to me. You think so that girl you have to blood clot get where?
Like you hurt, boys.
You think that girl you have to get where? And this me, I got
Oh
this that
God, it's
girl
like
you.
a light bulb. Hold up, a light bulb just went off in my head. You ever had that feeling, Munchie? When the light bulb just ting,
where you fit put
and you be
together.
like, "Oh shit!"
I want wicked act the girl do for me. Think
When you
about it.
put
I'm
two
there,
and
so me I
two
say,
and three
me
and
go
three
ease
and
her
four
up.
and four, you be like, "Oh shit!"
Me go
Yeah.
ease her up, but me can't blood clot ease her up.
Just
And me go
leave
make
it,
an
man.
example out her blood clot, man. I
Just
have to
leave
make
it.
an
Just
example.
don't. No,
Me have
man.
to
Just
chip off her
done.
body jar, man. Because she
Just
too
done,
blood
push.
clot
Just
bright,
done.
Yeah.
man.
Just done. Just done. Just
Yeah.
done.
Let it go, Puss.
Yeah, just let it go.
Let it
You look
go.
and say let
You
go, no
know
one
that
let go, you know. But look for the wicked act when the
because you
girl
want to know
try to
why?
for me.
No, you know why? You know, anytime I tell you
You have
that
to
I
learn
have my
from
other
things in the
option or
post. Just have
reason.
to learn from things.
Me learn from things a long time, but when me I say,
Yeah, but you still a
do
learn.
not,
We're
do
not too
not,
old for
do
learn.
not tell. I'm gonna tell you something. Talk the things how the story go. Do not tell me eight people tell. That's why me not. Nobody can ever. You notice Munchie from we do me I do this rubber dub. You don't see nobody.
God, you chip out the ear now. Me the ear now, you chip out look a while.
No, me I say you ever see nobody can come with them something. Them can talk. Because I keep it 100.
Mm.
If something do when me not like, even with you, Munchie, or what, don't me call you and say, Munchie, no, me not like that, blah, blah. Let me tell.
They tell me so.
Me call you in your inbox and say, Munchie, we say, blah, blah, blah. Even if me and you have mouth, I'm going to leave it and go about my business. Because me don't have for people.
It is what it is.
Why people, why you don't tell lie
Why me
for
I
me?
tell you? Just done it though.
Me did it. Me did it. So me if you tell you what to do. Me talk it loud on the live. Me never
It was just
listen
bring my role. Big misunderstanding.
it.
Nah, it's just females in general, honey.
When you gonna come tell lie for me, you look like a
Females
pussy,
in
bro.
general.
And then you gonna go for Steph for the one way. Steph sit down on diary like when diary beat and teach you. When diary rip off your blood clot stripe. When diary make you know say your baby father and you're not dead. Diary tell you the things that man
Oh God.
teach
Yeah,
and
wind up
beat you.
yourself, Puss. I mean, we understand. Everybody tell Pussy we understand now. We understand. But understand. We understand. Everybody typing and they say comment
I
section so
I
we understand. Puss
understand.
will understand a true. I'm not talking no
I
water in my mouth, but
understand.
understand I'm a failure, but just left it alone. We
Listen,
get
man.
you,
I
me
Listen, man.
not
understand.
She a
lie.
wicked girl,
I'm
man.
understand.
She a wicked,
I
man. You
understand.
go,
Yeah,
the
you see
girl,
now, yes. Don't
where you
know.
gonna come
Don't
tell
know.
lie for me name?
Just
Where you tell
done.
lie for me name? No tell a lie for me name. I don't want a girl tell a lie for me name. No girl not tell a lie for me name. Where you gonna come tell lie for me name? I come make up
Just
story with my
done,
blood
man.
clot name. Don't do that, bruv. Don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Because all me said to you say, you're gonna look like an idiot, come out and rub Brassy and rub Munchie. And waste of time, people are gonna laugh off of you. Because your target is diary, but you don't want to rub diary, but you want to run. Oh, me, I go rub Munchie. Me say, I waste the time, leave Munchie and Brassy and focus on your target. Because
Suspect.
you're going to look stupid. But I should have left her because I should have left her to come rub you and Brassy. So should I get 3 in 1 murder? And then no, you're going to come on to the like a clown. Which bitch do that? My God. Like, which bitch do that? Like the bitch get beat down, bring down, and then which girl can bring me down to the ground and then call me the next couple of hours, I mean the panic, and then me go
Wait,
for
come me laugh. Come here, I'm not
the girl.
chopping and I'm not. But just wait. But come here, somebody bring you down and then come for your life. Wait.
No, that different. That different.
Mhm.
That
Wait.
different. That's
No!
a mad people.
It's a
No, but
fucking
remember say me no
shame.
know.
Uh-huh.
Me no
And the truth.
diary. Yeah, me Munchie.
No!
Remember say them call for fake
No!
page, you know. Remember
Wait, no.
fake page
Wait,
that,
no,
you
no,
know.
call people like me,
Remember
that you
fake
know, so
page chat. No, what?
really and
No.
truly
Remember,
though. They know so really and truly
remember
going
fake
on,
page
baby.
chat them call.
Behave yourself.
Well, I know. Remember fear page that then cover. I tell you,
Wicked
remember
though.
the war act, you know. The war. Remember the war act, you know. And you just bring me down. Remember, you know. You sit down on the live, Munchie. You think you sit down on the live and tell her rub me.
I only can't
Me, I
take
bring you
serious,
down.
girl. This is joke.
Me no look for Uko. You know, me no pay Uko mine. Uko no Uko. So me no pay Uko mine. You ever tell us say Uko upset because me never
Lord
talk to
God, don't
Uko.
call that girl's
When you
name
call
till she
woman
ready
name
to
for
I mean,
kill
not
Jesus
all
be.
y'all.
Christ, you come like one judgment.
Don't call the girl's
When you
name no
call
more,
woman
Puss.
name
She
I
said
for?
don't call her name.
You call woman name, man. Ah.
You understand? But them two wicked man. Why? Come on, you're a big woman. Why you go now? Listen, just listen to the plot. What she a plot against me now. She Teena tell me yesterday and I say, you know, say them over diary I try to make it look like say you are set up the and she said, so me I say, so she say, you know have love blood clot. Mix up, leave me blood clot name out of the mouth, man. Minute to call me blood clot name like you can't stop me. You look so good body mouth, Sanders. What the fuck you do over here? But the way you sit down over here, blood clot, comfortable, your ugly blood clot self. And I use the ape name. Cockroach. Why you itch up over here? Sit down blood clot over here. You black off everybody after your blood clot life. You sit down over here. You take me not see you through me. But your blood clot head steady. If you ever open your blood clot finger, them make your finger them make the mistake on your tip. Now your blood clot tip on. Blood clot, cockroach. I don't know how some of the cockroach do it, you know. Because when the black off people have found a blood clot live, when they itch up on people bomb clot live. Want to know if over here blood clot oxygen or supplement. Sorry, so I could press something to blood clot and it's shock or no. You know the one there? But just blood clot, press something and it shock up on a dirty blood clot.
Oh, no. We want to shock people.
Yeah.
Damn.
Enough. And then as you alone to wally pound me a blood clot to a cockroach. On the black off people are found alive, but on the itch up over blood clot, you're on a fake page. That's why I tell you some idiot. Should have one blood clot, so as a cockroach them come, you just shock up them blood clot. I make them blood clot shock. And you know? Well, you're still down in a comment from yesterday, quite comfortable. Marie, sit down blood clot comfortable. If you ever make the mistake, I even press like, I block you.
Oh, there go Tamara. Tamara right there, that's you.
Hey, Puss.
Who they are?
Now you said me ad.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. But think you're so like
Tamara.
You're so like Tamara.
Yeah.
Tamara said in the request.
Tell her tomorrow, because if you say Storm Bossy, she's going to get mad.
You're damn right. You know, you don't know, man.
Now, man, them two mix up, man. What the problem? What them want? They split. What kind of split? What kind of mix up them want between? Wait for? Why everybody can't live as one? The platform is fucking big.
I mean, but the name of Puss page is Rubber Dub. I thought that's what they came here for, was Rubber Dub.
They want me for help them rub and show me not help them rub. Them I go, oh, them feel a weird. Oh, me shouldn't add on diary. And me say, why the people me tell you say me shouldn't add on diary? Why those people didn't come and rub for you last night? You're very unfair. We don't need to blood clot stop unfair. And then you go come try. Come on. Where you go come try? Drop me under something and tell lie upon me. Where you go do that for? If me say don't argue with argue with Candy. Cause Candy a comment na the comment. Argue with Keiko. Now the right thing me I tell you, cause Keiko rub you. You come out and argue with Candy, you gonna look like idiot.
Yeah.
But you are gonna make it look like Puss say, oh, and Robbie, and you style it too. You should have lucky everybody I beg for you.
Yeah, we want you to done. Let this go, you know? Let's move on. Let's find some new cockroaches.
But you understand?
That's big.
And she gonna make Steph come tell her, say me. Oh, this morning I not talk about she come here and I don't talk. Me done from behind the scene from in the morning. So that argument done with me and I nothing to do with argument. I don't know that. I tell her say you should have make your people rub fear where you say, I carry my name, say diary come from my life. You should have make them rub fear and me and I argue with done. Me done come and attack from my life, say me no want nobody coming at my inbox, come me now rub for nobody and we now none for do with she, me never come and talk about she, you know. She a go say Steph call her, say me a robber. He mix up blood clot, say for she go look for her blood clot hole. Eh?
Oh Lord, please stop calling the people name like you know what I mean? Like just
Me no
you
me a
know, because
call
I
them
don't want
name.
them.
Me a
Your
call them.
name's so easy for them to call, and
I
they
don't
all gonna
care.
blame
I do
you and
not
say,
care because
"Push
I can
this and push
listen.
that and push this." Like
I
you
cannot
know.
talk about people. If me a talk about people, you have to know me a talk about you. Me not gonna talk about
Oh,
she, him, she. No, me a talk about the handicapped woman Steph. Because
oh shit.
listen this, you know. Listen this, you know. Workless Steph. The time y'all worry about me, it's over 20, a lot of years now. Your children them take off you. Get your time and get yourself
Oh,
together and go try get back your children them. Go and get your
no,
children them back
push.
intact and leave off of my name. Every minute you talk about you go can't say anything about me because me mad him out.
But you know
Fully
that they're
mad.
gonna use that because they know that's what irritates your skin.
It
Come
not
on
irritate
now,
me. It not Kieko,
that
not
man
what
going about his
Kiki, not
business.
what them want to say, Kieko, not what them want to say, you go say, can't irritate me. Because we tell us, I'm fully mad him out. Him fully
Right
mad.
now, he on the internet looking for Caucasian. Trust me. And got all of us here arguing back and forth
Why
with
you
each
go
other.
come
He's
tell
somewhere
lie,
off.
Pam? Why you go come tell? I come instigate this blood clot man royal. I come tell lie, Pam, here for blood clot. Me, I can't call
Oh
me this.
Lord. Ooh, God, y'all killing me.
No girl can beat me on Instagram. If a girl a cuss me, cuss too. The whole of we bad. Nobody now war with nobody. Everybody bad. And as we're telling us, my days of war is over. Me now war with no blood clot girl. Any girl want war with me, no problem. We will meet up. We will meet up at the blood clot courthouse or the police station. Me's a
See,
police.
that's what I'm trying to avoid because I'm not gonna push no shit like that. And I'm not there to help. I'm not there to meet up. I ain't gonna push no shit like
But
that.
that's what
No,
we
I can
tell
see if
her.
me and you
That's
was
why
in
I
the
say to her, Kieko, I
same
say to
place, and
her,
I can say no. Let's meet the bitches. No, I can't. But I can't do that. So for me, I
Kieko,
have to say
listen,
just
listen
let it
now.
go.
Remember, me never know, say she and Diary kick off, you know. More than me here, she said, Diary, and me, I talk to Diary, and me, I talk to about 6 times, she said. And when she say, and me, I talk about ceiling, when me look up at the man ceiling, me turn and me say, this is not you she's talking. Look, this is the man ceiling she talking. I say that to her loud and clear, you know. Then me not happen, I think the live end. Oh, I don't know what happened. All right. My friend, she called me. I said, Diary, drop our file in our inbox. Diary say, oh, your file come to me and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. She said to me, say, go on, it says, I, same time, I say, oh, me say, I must have mistakes. Me and her on the phone attack when she said, Diary, drop in the file. And me say, well, Diary, drop in the file, say she get your file for. She said because she tell Diary. I mean, not even know she tell Diary about underneath Diary, you know. She turned to
There's
me.
a Karen at Karen, Puss.
She turned to me. She turned to me and said to me, say, she turned to me and said to Karen, she turned to me and said, why Diary drop her file? So she dropped her file because Diary say, she tell Diary say, and I did something more under her pussy a drop down. And me I said to her, so why you have to go so hard? She said, what you never hear me? I asked her 6 times. Because at that time, they me know, so she said that to Diary. At that time, Karen, so you tell me, don't you see me? I do not know, you know, me can't talk. Me can't talk. So people for tell lie for me, and they will only sit down with the lie. Me can't talk. Me can't express my feelings and talk. Me not argue. Can you if me argue, me have my panty and me something out there so argue. And you know me, so me not argue, me a talk. When people tell lie for you and people do things to you, you have to talk. You see, true, me not want to argue and go on, but me I go talk.
Yeah.
Cause me not talk 40 days and 40 nights. So
All right.
So me said to her, she said, Diary come in her inbox and she and Diary are cuss and Diary say, oh, me get your file, watch we. So me I say, well, Diary say she get your file for, she said, because she tell Diary say, our ceiling drop down like her. Well, I mean, turn to her and say, but Diary never attack. Say, you know, say, me never, so, she said, me never know say no more people they on the phone or whatever. Me say, but you hear me I talk to the boy, the two boys, them I argue with Nana proper. So me said to her, I said, all right, me go call Diary. Same time, I said, Diary gone. I said, me go call Diary. I run, go over there and say, Diary, done, a mistake. Candy did up on the level when me said that to Diary. Candy?
I think Candy gone.
Me said to Diary, Diary is a little, I think say it's just a misunderstanding. Diary said she not done. Cause she out of if you come talk about her. I mean, nah done, push me down. I say, all right, fair enough. I me come back over. I said to her, I say, all right. Me go over there and Diary said she not done. She not done, but no pay Diary no man no done. She said no, she go rub there. I say, all right then up to you. She said, turn on your live. The end of the day, I know say this, so she have to do a little rub. She a rub Diary. She said, add Steph. Me add on Steph, then me cut her back. So when she said, add Steph, can ask Steph something. Me add on back Steph. Me no see her. Me said to her, say, when she do the first rub and she come off, she has said, she me not do them something, you know, cause my baby father, blah, 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 we return to her and say, like, oh, your baby father, you do a little rub already, leave it alone, cause that means say you can't, cause the Diary now go down. So leave the rubbing, lefty, make the rubbing turn wait, they just leave the rubbing. I say that to her now. Leave the rubbing. Hold on, Karen. I say to her, leave the rubbing then Teena. Like what you say, your baby father, you know, why your baby father, your family are in a problem and blah, blah. I say, just leave the rubbing. She say, yeah. Then after somebody that on the phone, I tell them, I say, oh, Munchie, I said that, she start to get, I said, who make a come rub Munchie and Brassy? And me, I said to her, I said, leave the rubbing. Push turn on your life about 20 times she asked if you turn on the life. I mean, I ignore her. Because me, I say, I'm rubbing them now go nowhere. I'm rubbing them stagma. Them not going nowhere. So leave the rubbing. She say, turn on your life about 20, 30 times. I mean, I ignore her and I say, you say you baby father and that's why you want to go rub. Me, I like, me will love the war. Me, I say, leave the rubbing, man. Then she come on and I rub. Steph, come on now. She a go say, Steph, when time me and Puss war, me not get involved. So I said, that's why me not get involved for that girl. She a go upset. That makes she come off the life upset, say, she expect me to defend our war. Lady, me is a senior citizen. If me drop and broke my bone, cannot make back again. Me have to keep any rubbings me have for my children and my grandchildren them now. Wanna use me out as enough by Instagram and make me rub and dub and dub. My time for rub is OVER. I've been saying it for a week, me now rub unless me I get paid. If you don't want me for rub, you should have pay me. Then I get a free rub. Then now you have to up. Then argument done. Rubbing done. In the morning now, you gonna tell me, say this morning, I say, why me make Diary come for my life? And me I say to you, say, people I say, oh, me should I rub Diary with you? And me say, but oh, that no fear. You and Diary I do a one-to-one rub. Oh, that's gonna look me, I gonna come rub Diary, and me and your friend, me and Diary friend. Oh, it's gonna come now. Me I gonna rub Diary when you and Diary I rub. That not gonna fear. 1-1. Just said, no, I your life, Puss, I expect you to jump. Me say, you cannot say that. I know my life, I know my life. You have to angle your candle. She has said, oh, because the people them I say, me make Diary come for the life. Me say, why those people never tell you come last night, come rub Diary for you? Why them they behind the fence and I carry the news, but them only come rub for you? Me not say nothing wrong. I didn't say nothing wrong. So you feel go in your feelings. From in the night, because me tell you the truth, and I come tell lie for my name. Do not tell lie for person. Yes, I cannot. You understand? She too bad, man. But you say now current talk.
She hung up.
Yeah, you're Karen. No too wicked, man. Leave my rub on no one, do no one battle. The battle is phone, is not mine. When I'm my battle alone, I stand up like a soldier. Me alone in the wilderness. You don't go and come in at my inbox and come out at my inbox and make sure we tell you say anybody are coming at my inbox, come tell me nothing now come at the live, come say I don't want to hear nothing at all. And then you go come make it like say. Me I tell you say for rub diary. And I never tell you that. You want to rub Munchie and I say to you, you're going to look like an idiot rubbing Munchie and Brassy. Because Munchie and Brassy not saying nothing and Munchie not saying nothing bad because somebody I really comment and somebody I say, oh, them Munchie asks, I wish Teena. Like for my name. And she and Steph upon, we're going to turn down everybody.
I know you know what here. I said, you can't done, everybody done.
But me not argue, we can't talk about it. And me hear she say, and hear a dirty Steph them and them say, oh, we're going to turn down Puss. Like turn down me means the rock of Gibraltar. My back is strong. Nobody can turn down on me.
I'll go over the river.
Argue, but me a talk, me a go, when something you go talk about it. You know, you go argue, you talk.
All right, put me because I don't want to go over the river there. I'm afraid of over there. Cut me off now. Done, I'll cut me off. Continue your life, I'll tell you, but don't cut me off. Me tell her for done. Done. Done now. You can't done now.
The wicked act Keiko with them do. You gotta talk about it because it's not an easy road. It's a wicked action though.
I understand.
You have to talk about it. Anything bother me have to talk about it. Can't me not talk about it. I don't want to deadlift my children and grandchildren. And nobody come read no wait name they over me. I do not want to have a heart hurt talk.
They're gonna say that you bagger and you love war and
yeah,
you pushing this
and I mean I push the war.
But
look what she do. Remember, I know she tell me yesterday in a Keiko say, you know me them over there say, yeah, are you a push the war? Me never know that, you know. Cause remember, I know me try to take myself away from it. So me don't even go Pandari like
and then they have it that we in some type of group on WhatsApp and scheming
you know,
on
long
people
talk to you. You know, long me not talk to you on WhatsApp or group.
Right.
You know much
so,
months.
Yeah.
We don't even have a group because so a man think Keiko so is he.
Mm-hmm. But I don't even feel no need to like. I know that's not.
Listen. I don't know, just listen, just look what she doing in a Keiko. She had the one that tell me because she the pass her fake page I watch diary, you know. I rub her in and she say, oh, diary them I try over there say I me about the war, you know. Remember, she said that to me. She said, Puss, look how them a try. See, I boots, you know, nothing for do. But today, you go now. You go now today because you say the phone hang up and me not call you back. You go now and I say, just look how the wickedness increase, you know. Look how the wickedness increase now. You are tell me, say them over there said that yesterday. And me I say, me not pay them my mind because me know me. So why no? That means she know what she a do. Then here I go say it's a setup. How she mean a setup? How you work that one day out? How can it be a setup when
But we
Daria talk about
believe
the
you.
boy ceiling?
Everybody believes you, though. Trust me. We see for
When
ourselves. So
Daria talk about the boy ceiling, and you ask Daria for your ceiling, and Daria no answer you, and you tell Daria about her pussy. How that can be a setup? That's how, Teena, you need to go back to school. You're fully dunce. You're a dunce. You need to go to school because you're a dunce said. And it proved to me that you're a laggard. Your IQ is 0.0. Because how can it be a setup when you, Daria said, look on the ceiling, and you have said, Daria, me attack 6 times, and Daria no answer you. I mean, I don't know what happened after. Me turned to you one of the time and said, no, Daria, talk to that boy, you know, see a film ceiling. You no answer. Then you call me and said, Daria, come in your inbox and say she have your file. And me I said, why Daria don't have your file? But you and Daria have. She said, because she tell Daria, said Daria all drop down like the ceiling. And me I said, why you have to go so hard? That's what I turned to her and said, she said, oh, you mean? Because she attacked me. I said, well, you cannot say it's your ceiling. Because she was talking the boy. She said she never knows more people upon it. Me say, fair enough. Me go over there and talk to Diary. So how come that be a setup? How done she is? And you know I go up on the live today. I go say, oh, it's a setup. So when you said that no, think about it in a cake. When she says something like that now, how that mean no? She herself I go say a setup. So if she I go say a setup, that mean me I set it up then. You know that it look like cake.
that's what she basically trying to say. But you
And
know, like we said, we all know that. We know that.
she
We
set
all
up
come to that
herself.
summation. And then with all of that being said, you know what I mean, they all still was able to talk and come to some type of conclusion. So you don't
Mix
want
up
to be the
Brassy
villain
tell
right
them
now. They don't.
set up
Why
wicked
put
people
yourself
them.
in the position to be the
Brassy can't
villain?
say me
You
set
know
up
what I
nobody.
mean?
A Brassy alone do set up.
Oh God, stop calling people names. Y'all stop writing up people name in the comment section. Stop.
Brassy alone do set up. Me no time to
Brassy
set up
ain't
nobody.
nowhere
Me never
here
set
to
up
defend
nobody in my
herself.
life. Anybody do set up is Brassy, not me. My heart and my hand them clean like Jesus record. Anything when me do it clean. Oh. A job. No, it was a job ceiling that time she was talking. It was the two guys them did a arguing at the morning, stepchild. The two guys them did a arguing with Nana proper and the guy them a run joke and way. And that me was everybody was laughing. It was laughing after that. You did that on it that time, Keiko?
When?
In the morning after you and me and more cuss. Remember you and me and more me a cuss and when that done, two my friend from America, Nana proper, and they come on and I said, Puss, blah, 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 I mean, the panic attack. And one guy come on and I says, oh, Nana black me. And Nana black me. And then when a Nana friend come on and I say, hey, boy, I call Nana name. So the two boy was having a rival and we all laugh. That's what I laugh, you know. And she insists, I said, Diary, am I seeing you talk, Diary? She said about 6 times and Diary don't answer. The 5th time I turned to her and said, Teena, is not you, Diary talk. Diary talk, the boy. Then me never know, so she tell Diary about under her pussy. Till she call me and say, Diary drop something in her inbox. Say, oh, me have your file. And I say, well, Diary have your file. And she said, she tell Diary, say, her old drop down. Then, oh, that be a setup. Oh, you gonna say that now, that me you want to come drop. Girl, no drama, me no mix up, because me no do mix up. It's a lucky thing.
Right.
It's a lucky thing. Said, me never get involved in it, because me I get involved in it.
Yeah.
I would have said this to her, I would have said that to her, Keiko.
That's right. That's right. And I keep telling you 100% right. And I know you need to get it off your chest. But the more you talk about it, the more Puss is the villain.
You're the upper him from yesterday. Where are you from yesterday? Okay. Where you the now? Nothing. Where there?
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Woko.
How are you?
I'm not too bad in right now, so I don't even want to be over that river.
Hide your face then, love.
Huh?
Hide your face then.
No, wait. I'm looking for Teena. Where are you, Teena?
No, I'm afraid of over the river there. So I don't want
Teena,
to
text. Text, Teena. Text.
Oh.
Text. Me take you up from there.
I did. Cheetos drop on you. Not really nice.
Text not Teena. Somebody, no, hold on. Something. Karen,
Oh my God, that's so
hold
much.
on there. Hold on there.
Oh, she said the other.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Oh.
But just go over Puss live and tell Puss sit down.
Hold on, Karen. Hold on. All right. Karen, come in now. Teena, Rich? Teena? Oh, yeah. Yo.
Step no, I'm a be able to father. I'm still log on a while ago. I'm run off and I'm blocking pay, but I know them gonna come in at any time.
Yeah. Talk, man. Yeah, just talk. Just something that, nah,
And if she know, she live for have a show for keep going on. Tell that woman there from morning me a blood clot. Ignore that woman there. That woman there come like she come for tea me and my family and my relationship apart. What she done blood clot, leave me alone. Shut her blood clot, zinc fence, big blood clot, rubber tire woman lift up off of my blood clot name. You live for blood clot this. Yeah, me say so, yeah, you set up me and blood clot diary. You ring my phone this morning and me not carry go bring comfort, but you ignorant and you go sit down for me blood clot name the whole night because I did not tell you say me and Dari solve out what we did have because you did hear say blood clot misunderstand the big dirty woman me tell you say go call Dari and you never want blood clot call Dari. It's because you want have a show for go on have the blood clot show for go on with me big dirty crutches blood clot woman lift up off of me blood clot name and you set up blood clot me and Dari. Yeah, come talk about me and you want an argument, eh? Storyteller, dirty woman, you never know me the blood clot recorded this morning. Cause me that plan for you, girl, you can't tell a lie pa me a big dirty woman. You can't tell a lie pa you can't remember
right.
me even recorded this one.
So.
Yeah, job me think it done, but the dirty woman just a live palm me. Remember, say me not do live job. Me be able to father. Me have people on my phone when me be able to come in a mad. I say everybody, I wish girl not text him and them something. I don't blood clot here who you want. I want 100% for your bumbo clot. Like me and one of them come from the blood clot same place. Say she have a problem with me. Anytime I go a party, she just come to blood clot. Me can write they say blood clot, the dirty woman. Using fence woman chef. Yes, chef, man, me just come for clear something, man, cause that dirty woman here just a live for me. Just the for me blood clot name from man. Lift up off for me name, no dirty woman. Me a listen, man. Me a listen, but me a listen. Me soon come on. Me not still. Me a listen, but this dirty woman will set up me and blood clot diary. She said to me, say, deal with diary first. Me have to know this thing. Go deal with diary, and then me take on blood clot Munchie. That the dirty woman say. So what kind of lie me a tell pa you short arms zinc fence woman? What kind of lie me a tell pa you? You said deal with blood clot diary first, then me a teach you for Rob. Deal with diary first and then you deal with Munchie. I lie me a tell pa you dirty woman. Lego me blood clot name. You said to me, so come Rob. I'm say to him, when you tell me, say, I like me depending on a dirty woman. Me not tell a lie pan you know. You tell me, say, you lock up the blood clot life pan diary. You say, no, sister diary, come on. I'm just lock up the life pan her. I'm say to you, say, me can't know who I come on from who na, and I will leap away the pan the phone call when you call me dirty woman. Me not tell no lie pan you. Me not bill for this and this is not for me. You run one culprit. It's a culprit, you have blood clot. When I never know you try recruit people, you know me is not that type of person. When me I tell you many times so positive, me depend on all of them something there. You try to turn it in the bad way. Me not tell a lie for you dirty woman and you would do it because you have to have a show for go on and me never know. Me make you trick me to blood clot and make me and the woman end up star cause all they have to do is come off of the blood clot phone and make it done. So we are come talk about me I tell lie for you. For me not tell a lie for you. You're wicked and everybody over your side go and find you out because me no need for tell no lie. Remember somebody itch up over here, you have me on your phone and I go like say you want me rub up blood clot Steph. I'm always telling me and Steph not have no problem with that ignorant for me for and me they never know say you have something in store for me because me not rub up blood clot Steph with you. Me not Shed, me not the over live. Me all you tell her stuff done and she still lost the palm name. And more than one person call me and I message. Shed, me not send her one voice note when my friend tell me say what she over there say. Me just say me be a father a while ago, me have to jump off her when Steph the Teena. And me be a father log me have to black in 2 page and me know him school that soon reach right there. So that dirty woman that just step on me blood clot, they not come out from me puss me not tell like everybody knows say ring down people phone and wake them out and them sleep.
True.
Come on blood clot live with you. Me not sell story posts. Me not tell a lie pirate zinc fence back woman leg on me blood clot foot back. I make me walk in a peace. But done with you, I'm black your blood clot. Cause you set me up wicked. People never hear me in them a dramatic business yet. Me not do drama. Me never got blood clot drama school. Let go me heal back. Yes, Steph.
Yeah. Why, me not tell lie, me really would have like it done, me not tell lie, but it's a woman that come like the blood clean devil will walk under the fucking earth. I swear down. I just won't hear no say, I'm me call you now. I just won't hear say, I'm me call you now when I don't me call you.
But Steph, if you even want to call me, and me call you, who call me? And me call you, Steph. And me call you, I'm talking on the ear. And me call you, Steph, and I say, why this woman don't leave me the fuck alone? Me done with the woman and take over myself. Why she don't leave my name out her mouth? This woman have to go on. She have to go on because she feel like she have to have a show going on. She not done. She just not done. Leave people, no man, and move on with their life, no man.
The woman say you say.
And leave people alone.
The woman say you say. Somebody say. Somebody. She never really say you. Somebody come tell her say people are set up to bring her down. Yeah, that woman say.
What? You know, so somebody ring me, I'm not like a sham. God. Yes, Steph, your son, Lord, Sheb me a come off.
No,
Steph.
Yeah, I hear phone on my phone. It's 3 rings. So you have to
yeah, but
press the button in the middle so and take it off.
Tell him some of the pan live with a big dirty woman. They and Puss me the pan live with. Tings said the woman does the pan blood clot me name. And me name the woman the pan. I'ma come for clear something that tell the woman leg on my name and stop call me name.
You don't know my story. You don't know nothing about me. They just want to bring down somebody who not trouble you. That's the problem.
Them don't know your story, but you have your glory.
Right, true. I know Steph. She too much. Mine, over here, run joke about fuck suck knee down pan knee and there as Steph you up your knee. We not pay the woman no man. Me tell you we do the show over there, Rob. What are this for? It's like you're lonely. Everybody have their man. Teena have her phone because she have her man. Me so have to drop the phone because female man are coming. Everybody have their man. Oh, you want people to stay like you. You want me to stay up on phone and argue with you. What that's my man to say. Yeah, hear me because I'm tired of this. Like you tell my young nice pussy have what if I fuck left in my pussy. No fuck left in my pussy. Nah, make my man leave unless me want him to leave. Dirty pussy, that's why you're timing people have good man. I'm a maniac house. Karen is a peacemaker. I love that. Clark.
But tell everybody for that about no one. Everybody have big people, everybody push their one door and have their own key, you know.
No justice a peace. No dear, not yes, sir. Hey, actually, you don't even know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. You think I rub more a Puss? You think more a Puss? You think more a Puss? Me no want a Puss. More I say Puss in my face. And Puss talk like how she talk on social media. Me never get time to talk because all the way you talk already. See me I get time for talk? You know so much chimba and chippy up on your forehead that you stay bad. Who have Puss girl a glue picture them can send in another phone them. Because in another phone I'm more have to put them up. But if me depend now depend live, send them in another phone. I make me dash them out. Do man turn bad? And not Jamaica and a battery riders turn bad. You fever Enkeng fever and Kang flu. Or woman turn bad. Clap man. Every day, sir. Every day, sir. Somebody can't live, sir. That's crazy. No, sir. This was that shirt up be.
Well, that's one wickedest little girl left on yourself and left the fan and go brush out with a gun in the room and left the fan and you never hear the sit in the winter.
Anytime, let's just stop and come off alive and the old man come. People can stay up with her and keep her company. Keep her company until the old dead cocky man come. The people them old man. This big old dirty gummy bear. People, the life are done, but I'm gonna start back in an hour. Clot over.